In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Alibaba using Chrome. Maybe you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons. Either way, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and make this a smooth and easy process. First things first, open up the Chrome browser on your device and head over to alibaba.com. Alternatively, if you prefer using the Alibaba app, that's an option too. Once you're on the site or in the app, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll usually enter your login credentials. But since we're working on resetting your password today, instead of typing in your details, look for the link that says Forgot Password. You'll find this option near the area where you would normally input your password. Click on Forgot Password to move forward with the process. Next up, you'll need to provide some information that Alibaba can use to identify your account. Typically, this is your registered email address or the phone number you've associated with your account. Whichever you choose, make sure it's the one that's currently linked to your Alibaba account. Enter the information into the appropriate field and proceed. After you've submitted this form, Alibaba will send you instructions on how to reset your password, and these will come to you via email or SMS depending on the option you selected. Make sure to check the relevant inbox, be it your email account or your phone's message app, and look out for the email or message from Alibaba. If you don't see it straight away, it might be worth checking your spam or junk folder just in case it's lurking there. Once you found the message, carefully follow the provided instructions to reset your password. This might include clicking a secure link that takes you back to Alibaba, where you'll be prompted to create a new password. When choosing a new password, think about making it strong and secure. Aim for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's robust against unauthorized access. After you've decided on a new password and confirmed it, head back to the login page and try signing in with your new credentials. If everything's gone according to plan, you should now be able to access your Alibaba account once more, now with an updated secure password. And that's it! You've successfully reset your password on Alibaba. This new password will help keep your account secure and ensure that you're back up and running without any hitches. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you next time.